Naamoy mo pala. Naamoy mo ang aking ininom ha. You're very bad ha. You're very bad insect ha. You smell my drink. Booking. Wow, butong. Butong. Sayang wala akong tanduay. From 5 years. Or tanduay 65. Ang katapat yan. Yun ang tanduay 65 or tanduay 5 years. Yun ang katapat. Katapat ng mga sometimes gwapo, sometimes hindi. What language do I need today? Simula tayo sa Tagalog. Magandang tanghali po, bayan. Nandito po ako sa Boracay na mala Boracay talaga. Kasi yung Boracay dati, ganito kasi yon. Crystal clear, sunlight, almost. Pero iba talaga yung dati. Kasi white talaga ito. Ngayon lang nagkataon, hindi siya white kasi matanda na siya, 49 years old siya eh. Kasi hindi siya white. Dati kasi yung 22 years old pa siya, this sun is very white. But now, this sun is not a white because kumakain ng baboy eh. Kumakain ng shrimp, kumakain ng mga yung mga bawal. Kaya naging brown yung sand. Kaya alam niyo na, when the sun goes down, when it goes up, it will never be the same. But this is not heaven. This is the world. When the world is done, then the sun should not be done. Because buhay pa ako eh. Kapag buhay pa ako, may chance pa. Hindi naman ito langit eh. Mundo naman ito eh. Pero maiba talaga yung kalikasan. Kasi tingnan mo, throw your garbage at the right moment, at the right time. Hindi ko pupulutin yan kasi hindi naman akin yan. Tsaka wala naman akong ranggo dito, di ba sir? Iwanan ko lang yan. At least nakita ninyo yung sino nagtapon yan. Problema mo yan, hindi akin. What am I? Your janitor? Wa kang buang ya. So nagkaiba talaga yung Boracay. Meron na mga sagbot, meron na mga bote dyan, at saka sagbot dito. Iba na. Tingnan mo natin mukha yung nagsasalita ngayon. Sino ba yung nagsasalita ngayon? Parang matapang ah. Baka busis lang matapang ito. Dihadong I love you kasi may sagbot yan. May sagbot. Sagbot yan eh. Wala yan dati. Yung 1999. Bakit ngayon meron na? Hindi ko pupulutin yan kasi hindi naman ko taga dito. Ay mga tourist. Tourist na Cebuano. Oh, meron pang gulong-gulong dyan oh. Sagbot yan, di ba? Sagbot. Bakit nandyan yan? Hindi yan dapat dyan. Ingay naman ng tong taong to. Aakyat tayo doon. How to feel lifeguard. What is a lifeguard? And what do the lifeguard do when it times of saving lives? First of all, CPR. Then speed. And then you know how to swim if you are a lifeguard. What is the qualification of lifeguard? Do size does matter? Do weight does matter? Remember, we are in the waters. We have instruments in our craft chef. Just like that. Hindi ako malaki. Hindi ko malakas. Pero when you have this, it's very easy. And that's the duty of lifeguard. Akyat tayo doon. How to feel a lifeguard. Now you know how to feel a lifeguard. It's like riding. Kanang padung ka mamatay ba? O mag-lifeguard ka. Kanang mamatay na ka. O na mag-lifeguard ka diri. Dapat you are willing to die. Ibuwis muna yung kauglingon mo bago ka mag-save sa others. O na, mo na yung lifeguard diri. Do you get me? Stupid. Yung lifeguard, buhay mo muna bago others. Kasi yung buhay mo, yung wala eh. Gago ka eh. To save others, save yourself first. Tama, mali. Paano mabuhay yung tao kapag ikaw wala ka na. Lasing ka na. Can you save life? Smoking area. This is a smoking area. Please be aware, this is a smoking area. Dito lang kayo manigarilyo. Huwag doon. Kasi susuntukin kayo. Susuntukin ko kayo. This is cigarette smoking here. You can smoke here, but not there. Understood? Do you have a problem, mate? I-checkmate kita. I-checkmate kita. Nandun lang ako sa banda ng huli. Nakita mo ko doon, nakaabang lang sa'yo. Anytime, anywhere. Buhay pa kasi ako eh. Kapag buhay pang tao, ganyan talaga yan. Oh, marami tayong mali. Kung sino man kagawa niyan, pulutin nyo yan tapos itapon sa saktong basura. Hindi akin yan. Evidence. Hindi akin yan. Mas pakyo. Mas pakyo. Hindi akin yan. Gago. Hindi akin yan. Ang hirap suntukin kapag kadugo mo. Hindi kami brothers or in blood, but yung mukha niya, mukha ko rin, kasi mukha niya parang kapatid ko eh. Paano suntukin yung mukha ng kapatid mo? Sometimes it's very hard to say you are my enemy because your face is just like mine. Ngayon ko lang na-feel yung Boracay na talaga siyang Boracay siya kasi yung dagat, yung araw, yung mga alon, Sanay, Rojas City yan. Rojas ba yan? Kung Rojas yan, nandyan si Bangus Girl. Kung Rojas ka man, nandyan talaga yung babaeng gusto ko. Wala dito. When you have two eyes to see Boracay, it's better than one. Fuck you, creeps. I'll say it again. If you have two eyes to see Boracay, it's very good. That's why. Why do I need one eye to see Boracay? Naamoy niya yung beer ko.